Actually, we are managing offices, residential, retail, and healthcare, especially nursing homes in Germany. So we're a real estate asset manager for these type of products. And there are different opportunities. It depends on in which direction you are heading. If you're looking for core and prime products, there's a different areas where you should be looking at. On the other side, if you're looking for higher yields, then then are different opportunities. For example, for higher yields, nursing homes, for example, is a quite interesting investment to be done in Germany, as the market is not as mature as in other countries. So there's a good opportunity to invest in these areas and to gain some additional returns. If you look at the core and prime investment direction, you have offices and retail as well as residential. Residential is a quite big thing in Germany over the last years and years, a lot of transactions being done. And so from the different angles for different investor types of investors, there are opportunities, like I mentioned, healthcare on one side and office, retail, and residential more on the core side. But one thing that you have to take into account, what I just mentioned in the beginning, everyone is looking at Germany just from France or from England being a centric country, and they are all, for example, residential. You only hear the word Berlin. Berlin, Berlin, Berlin. Everyone wants to buy residential in Berlin. And this is also something that comes across in offices. Everyone wants to buy in Munich or in Hamburg. And as banks are also financing these products very easily, we have a very huge demand for that. And not only international family offices or sovereign wealth funds look for the prime investments that generate low yields at the end. On the other side, we do have in Germany, as being a federal state, we do have other very interesting regional prosperous areas, which is different to France and different to England. We have in Germany the Mittelstand, which are the mid-sized companies that are spread all over the country, and there are some hubs, some regional prosperous hubs where it's very interesting to invest in, even on larger amounts. So this is something that I would take into account if I was investing in Germany, not to go where everyone goes, taking the stability of Germany, but also looking at the possibilities that the country offers.